In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Google Ads A/B testing in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking to optimize your advertising campaigns and drive better results, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your starting point for creating powerful marketing campaigns that connect with untapped customer bases. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access all the tools and features Google Ads has to offer. After you've signed in successfully, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home interface. This is your dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your campaigns and how they're performing. It's a powerhouse of analytics and tools, but for today, we'll keep our focus on mastering A/B testing. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This will direct you to a list of all your active and past campaigns. Campaigns are the backbone of your Google Ads strategy, each with unique settings geared towards specific goals. From here, proceed by clicking on the Ads section. This is where you'll manage your ad copy, monitor performance, and execute the A/B test that will refine your strategies. Now comes the crucial part. Click on Create Ad to initiate a new or modify an existing ad. A/B testing, in this context, involves creating variations of your ad to see which version resonates best with your audience. It's an invaluable method for improving click-through rates and conversion by experimenting with different headlines, descriptions, or visuals. Once you've created or selected an ad, click on Add Variation. This tool allows you to implement and track A/B tests with ease. Here you can design alternative versions of your ad, altering specific elements like the imagery, text, or even the call to action. The goal is to pinpoint what compositions lead to better performance, allowing you to scale your efforts effectively. When setting up these variations, make sure to clearly label them so you can easily analyze the results later. Google Ads will split your audience into segments to expose them to different versions of your ad, measuring which garners the most engagement. After a set period, review the performance data to determine the winning version. Congratulations, you've just set up an A/B test within Google Ads. Mastering this process empowers you to fine-tune your marketing efforts, maximizing your return on investment over time. Remember, effective advertising is iterative. Regularly analyzing your campaigns and tweaking them based on A/B test results is what will keep you ahead in the competitive world of online marketing. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck optimizing your campaigns.